beautiful beings, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharice with Collective Light, and today I will be taking you through a quick 10-minute morning yoga flow. Now this yoga flow can be done at any time throughout the day, but I say do so in the morning because it's a great way to really start the day, bring some energy into your body, set the intention for your day, and put your mind and your body into a more positive state so that you feel more grounded, clear, and aware, and ready to take on the day that is ahead of you. With all of that being said, you don't need any props today. You just need you. You don't even need a mat. You just need yourself, your breath, and the willpower to get into this video and really get your body moving to really start your day in a positive note. Before we get started, I just want to say if you want to continue seeing more videos like this, please subscribe below, and please press that bell notification so that you are notified any single time that I put out a new video for you. Thank you for listening, and we'll get started with that yoga flow right now. So go ahead and grab some water, grab whatever else you feel like you need today, and let's get started.
Begin in a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Allow your breath to move naturally in and out of your body, paying attention to it without any judgment. Observe the way your body feels this morning, and use your breath to release any tension that you may feel today. Use this opportunity to extend gratitude towards three things. Really raising your vibration first thing in the morning, and paying attention to the things that are right in front of you. And gently bring your awareness back to your breath. If your mind started to go into different stories and different places, just gently bring yourself back to this moment. When you're ready, blink your eyes open. Take in your surroundings. Inhale, lift both arms up to a T. Exhale, swing your arms in and give yourself a giant bear hug. Really lift your elbows to shoulder height. Exhale, guide your fingertips closer towards one another. Really remain in this long, straight spine here and breathe. Inhale, open your arms out to a T. Exhale, cross your arms over the opposite direction. Create this giant bear hug for yourself. Remain with a long, straight spine here. You have the option to close your eyes and breathe into this space. Inhale, open your arms back to a T. Exhale, bring your hands in front of you and web your fingertips. Begin to create gentle movements in a circular direction, opening up the wrists and stretching into your fingertips. You can reverse your circles if you are going in one direction. And gently place your hands in front of you. Stack your shoulders over your wrists. Stack your hips over your knees and come into a tabletop position. Inhale, sink your belly low and begin to gaze towards the front of your mat. Exhale, press into both palms, round your back to the sky. Tuck your chin into your chest. Inhale, come back down. Draw your shoulders back. Exhale, round and contract. Move with your breath here in whatever way feels best for you this morning. Allow your breath to lead and your body to follow. Open up in the shoulders and the hips. Maybe add some extra movement that your body may be calling for today. And return back to your neutral spine. Walk your palms forward about a handprint in front of you. Inhale, tuck your back toes. Exhale, send your hips up and back for your downward facing dog. You can bend into one knee and then bend into the other to really create some space in the hips. Breathe where you feel tension. And exhale into stillness. Inhale, gaze towards your hands. Exhale, walk towards your hands and bring your feet hip-width distance. Bend generously into both knees, and you have the option to grab onto opposite elbows. You can sway from side to side. Really use your exhales to release anything not serving you today. And gently release your hands down. Inhale, grab your hips, tuck your chin into your chest, and slowly rise to stand. Readjust your feet to hip-width distance. Inhale, reach both arms to the sky. Bring your palms together in a prayer position. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, bump your hips to the left and reach up and over to the right. Inhale, come back to center, lengthen. Exhale, bump your hips to the right and reach up and over to the left. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, bend into both elbows. Bring them to shoulder height for a slight back bend. Inhale, reach your arms back to the sky, come back to center. Exhale, bend into your elbows. Bring them back to shoulder height for ka. Inhale here. Exhale, twist your torso over to the right. Inhale, remain with your arms as they are. Exhale, gaze over your right shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, gaze to the front. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist your torso to the front. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist over to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, gaze over your left shoulder. Inhale, come back. Exhale, gaze over the front. Inhale to center. Exhale, twist back towards the front of your mat. Inhale, reach your arms to the sky, lengthen. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Gently close your eyes here and use this opportunity to set an intention for your day. Whatever it is you need, breathe more of that into your life today and have the most beautiful day. Namaste.